Today, we're exploring the incredible benefits of spin bikes, versatile tools for cardio workouts and overall fitness. Cycling is an excellent form of exercise that can help you improve your cardiovascular health, burn calories, and tone your muscles. And whether you prefer the great outdoors or the comfort of your own home, there are two main types of bikes you can choose from: traditional bicycles and spin bikes. Traditional bicycles are a great way to get outside and explore your environment. They come in many different styles, including road bikes, mountain bikes, and hybrid bikes. Each type of bike is designed to handle different terrains, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. Road bikes, for example, are lightweight and fast, making them ideal for long-distance rides on paved roads. Mountain bikes, on the other hand, are built to handle rough terrain and steep inclines, making them perfect for off-road adventures. And hybrid bikes are a cross between road and mountain bikes, providing a comfortable ride on both paved and unpaved surfaces. No matter which type of bike you choose, cycling is a low-impact exercise that is easy on your joints. It can also help you burn up to 500 calories per hour, making it an excellent way to lose weight and stay in shape. Plus, cycling can help you build endurance, improve your balance and coordination, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. But what if you don't want to brave the elements or deal with traffic? That's where spin bikes come in. Spin bikes are stationary bikes that are designed to mimic the feel of a traditional bicycle. They are often used in group fitness classes, but they can also be used at home. One of the biggest benefits of spin bikes is that they allow you to get a great workout without leaving your house. You can adjust the resistance and speed to mimic different terrains or to increase the intensity of your workout. Plus, spin classes can be a fun and engaging way to stay motivated and push yourself to new levels. Another benefit of spin bikes is that they are low impact and easy on your joints. This makes them a great option for people who are recovering from an injury or who have joint pain. And because spin bikes are stationary, you don't have to worry about balancing or steering, which can make them a safer option for some people. Overall, whether you choose a traditional bicycle or a spin bike, cycling is an excellent form of exercise that can help you improve your health and fitness. So why not give it a try? Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or pedaling away in the comfort of your own home, cycling is a fun and effective way to stay active and healthy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more health tips and leave your questions in the comments. For more extra information regarding this topic, please check in my description below. Have a great day.